In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a perfect medium rare steak with two sides, Spanish signature pimiento padrón and garlic fried red pepper. Look at this beautiful pink color. Let's get started. Today, I'm having two 300 grams filet steaks. They're about 2 centimeters thick. First, season the steak with sea salt and black pepper. Sometimes you can see the dark color on the steak after some days of freezing. Don't worry, this is just a sign of lack of oxygen. The meat is still good to eat. While you wait around 10 minutes until the meat is seasoned, let's prepare a side dish, Spanish pimiento de padrón. It's super easy to make and goes very well with steak. First, make sure the peppers are completely dry. I use kitchen papers to dry them. Most of them are not spicy at all, but you do get some surprise. Put them in a hot pan without oil. Sear them slowly until both sides look burned. Yes, you do want it burned. Sprinkle a little sea salt on top, and that's it. Then we take 4 cloves of garlic and cut them in half. A can of red peppers as a second garnish. Then we can fry the steak. Some olive oil with a smoky hot pan. Carefully put the steak in and wait 90 seconds for one side. Do not move the steak in the process, just be patient. After the time is up, you flip them for another 90 seconds. Since my steaks are quite thick, I fry the sides for about 8 seconds each to make sure it's properly cooked. You see the golden brown color? That's exactly what you're looking for. If you don't want to do any side dishes, let the steak rest for another 5 minutes before cutting open to keep it juicy. For me, I keep using the same pan with the oil from the steak to fry the garlic and red pepper. Simply fry them without adding any other spice. Just that easy. And you're ready to enjoy your dinner! So easy and delicious, perfect for a romantic dinner or just to treat yourself. Hope you like my recipe. Please click like and subscribe. See you next Thursday!